moonshine. What's going on, man?
What's up, man? What's going on?
About time, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Is that the Banshee there?
That is the Banshee.
That doesn't really look like a Banshee.
Nah, not really.
Oh, dude, so there it is.
Two-stroke life.
Definitely has a different look, man. No doubt. What is that, plus 6 inches?
Yeah, +6. I love the way it looks, honestly.
And these rocket pipes, dude. Went with the Mattoon. A lot of elbow parts.
Same. Yeah, we both got some Alba parts.
Definitely looking good, man.
What do you think, man? You like it?
I like it. I like the way it sounds better, though.
That's right, they are Elkas. I'm so jealous, man. So freaking jealous.
Honestly, man, I think your YFZ shock is kind of better.
Dude, in the front they feel good, but the rear one's shot out. But that's not a YFZ shock. That's like a stock one from 1992 that's blown out of proportion.
So whoever was recommending that I push my quad this way, I agree. This is a lot. That'll work.
Sounds good, honestly.
I want to hear yours.
You want to hear mine? All right. Make me all nervous.
So we had a day of defeat today, huh?
I'm telling you, man. It definitely an unlucky streak for us today.
Yeah. I guess we should do like a little introduction.
Should definitely do an introduction.
Welcome back, Stupid Fast Nation. How you doing today?
Epic fail today, guys, all right? I mean, you're gonna see throughout the video, we had tons of things happen today. We did manage to get some epic shots. We both had some failures, but you know, with great success comes many, many failures.
That's definitely true, and it's just crazy how much you know in sync John and I are. I swear we don't plan any of this stuff.
No.
And we just, you know, this is the first time either of us have done a collaboration. We tried to set this up. We were supposed to come out last week to do plug chops for you guys. I know you guys are waiting for that. And that's what we came up here to do today. And it was pouring rain this morning. So we kind of came up with some ideas to create some other videos for you guys because we didn't want to push it back a whole nother week. And doing the plug chops was just almost not an option today. And we tried to force it.
Yeah, we incredibly tried to force this one for you guys, but between time, the rain fighting us with the weather, and you know the failures we had on our ATVs today, we were definitely not well equipped to do the plug chops for you guys. So we definitely apologize for that.
Yeah, and that's the thing. You know, we tried to push, and John had like you know a small issue. We found a small leak on his leaking from one of his head O-rings, which you guys that follow John's channel know about that leak. And unfortunately, those NOS heads that he has on there are notorious for that. And he saw it starting to leak again, and we just kind of, you know, said screw it. We're gonna run it anyway, and we wanted to do a couple flyby videos for you guys, comparing our exhaust systems because they sound totally different.
Yeah.
We're going to be getting to that too. Unfortunately, we didn't get to that before we had some engine failures. But yeah, that's when catastrophe strikes, when you try to push a little too hard and, you know,
I mean, really, we just want to create some badass content for you guys. I mean, we pushed really hard today to do a great special collaborative video for you guys, and you know, everything fought us. Everything really did, man. Everything fought against us today. So.
I know. But you know what? I'm happy we came out here, got to meet John and his family, and we had a really great time and everything. And we did get some great shots. We have some awesome pictures of the Banshees, and we came up with some really great ideas too. We're still going to do a plug chop video. We're just going to plan it better next time. We're going to do an exhaust comparison, sound comparison video. We're going to do some flybys. And the big question is, John, which one of these Banshees is going to be faster?
I don't know, man. You tell me. What's your thoughts on it? Honestly, that's what I want to know.
We all know which one's going to be faster. It's going to be mine. But anyways.
Oh, yeah, but no, it's going to be mine.
Yours just blew up.
Ouch. Hold on. Let me pull it out, dude. Really.
Well, I guess we might as well get into what exactly happened today. So we were doing a flyby video with John. We decided to do John's first because he saw that minute leak. And I was like, do you want to run it? And John's like, hell yeah, I want to run it.
Hell yeah, man. We want to create good content for you guys. So I was like, yeah, dude, we're not going to stop until it gets dark, man.
And luckily for you guys, we got the whole thing on camera. Yeah, so we're going to roll that right now.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better life.
Victory is mine!
Radiator coolant all over the place.
Oh no, dude.
Really? I'm pretty sure. Is that what it is?
Did you kill it or did it
I
die?
killed it. Right here. No. It did something because it started puking antifreeze all over the place.
It looks like the radiator hoses are on.
Either it blew one apart because there's no fluid in it. It puked all the fluid all over me.
You might have just blown the seal like entirely.
Dude.
It was under so much pressure there.
That thing was ripping, bro.
Dude, I
That
know.
thing was on fire.
Dude, you came around that corner and I was like, all right, I guess we're going hard today.
Oh yeah. I was like, don't spit rocks at Mike. Don't spit rocks at Mike.
Dude, that's what he was saying. He's like moving. I was like, I'm just gonna take it.
I got him with the raptor.
Stay there, he took it too, man.
Yeah. What? Yeah, I blew it.
No, it didn't
I
blow
can't
up.
find it. I can't find what I did yet, but I'll find it.
You're good.
Think so?
I don't know if you can hear it. The gearing kind of like threw that over. I don't know what the right word is. But I don't know if I want to be going balls to the wall clean. I mean, I want to just to do the video, but at the same time.
Alright guys, so what happened was, like Mike said, we noticed the leak on one of the head studs. And we decided to say, F it, we're going to run the Banshee anyways. We wanted to do some sound clip comparisons. We noticed the leak. I took it for a ride, and what happened was we got to the top of the hill where we're filming, and I don't even think I got halfway up before the thing just started pouring smoke out of it. And it was antifreeze pouring all over the place. It started spraying out of that one head stud. I didn't really get to analyze it yet, so I'm definitely going to do a diagnosis video on that. But so I have to tear the head off. But yeah, so we did manage to get some good clips for you guys, but it's definitely leaking horrible. Absolutely horrible.
But you know, we were talking, and it's really sad, and you know, you feel really terrible, especially right after you get done building. You know, something like that happens, it's just your heart sinks. And the same thing happened to me last week when I did that first ride video, just running out of gas. I didn't know that I ran out of gas. I mean, your heart just sinks in your stomach. Anybody who's ever done work on a motor, you know that feeling, and it's not abnormal. You know, I'm just a regular guy, I'm not a mechanic.
Same.
John too, you know, we're just mechanically inclined guys who like to tinker with our stuff, and I know that's why a lot of you guys can identify with us, because you know, we're not pros. We know a lot of stuff, and together we can, you know, create a lot of great things, but that's just what happens sometimes.
Yeah, I mean, Mike, that's well said, man. Honestly, that kind of stuff happens all the time. This is the real world. We're going to provide you guys with real footage of exactly what happens, which I know a lot of top YouTubers, they like to hide this kind of stuff from you guys. They want professional quality content, but a lot of you just want to see really what's going on, you know? So we're going to give you our real failures. We're going to tell you what happens and what products we don't like, and we're going to give you guys real success stories based off our knowledge and mechanical ability, you know?
Exactly. And you want to learn from our failures too, you know? We're not going to candy coat any of this stuff. We could have easily just not included this footage, fixed the problem, and ran it and just said,
yep. Sorry guys, we gotta wait another week to do another video.
Yeah.
But we don't want to do that, you know?
Yeah, and we'd rather actually show you, like John said, like we're going to show you, you know, things that, you know, they don't always work out, because I feel like, you know, a lot of people say that this stuff doesn't happen to them, but I think more often than not, it happens. Sometimes, you know, people get bikes built at performance shops, professional places.
Yes.
It's part of the game. You know, 90% of the time you're doing the work, and 10% of the time you're enjoying it. You just haven't got to that 10% yet.
Like I said earlier, race it, break it, fix it, repeat, man. I know it's all over t-shirts and hoodies and everything, but it is the truth. It is the truth. All right, Mike. So both of our subscribers want to know what exactly is the mod list for our four-wheelers. They're both trying to compare our four-wheelers in the comments. All the time we see you guys commenting. We're always trying to reach out to you guys and definitely conversate with you guys. And we appreciate every one of you. So we're taking this time to show you and talk to you about the different things done to our four-wheeler. So Mike's going to go ahead and explain exactly what's done to his.
Well, first off, we both built 4mm Banshees, and a lot of you guys in the comment section ask what a 4mm is, and essentially what that is, it's the stroke of the piston. So the piston has a longer stroke, takes more displacement. It's not necessarily the length of the rod. That's a huge misconception. Even though the length of the rod is longer, did you go with the long rod?
Nope, I want the standard rod.
So there's a difference right away. We have different rod lengths. Really, the difference is where and where the pin is located on the crank.
Yep.
It gives it a longer throw. So they're both 4mm Banshees, but we have different displacement. John has a 472 cubic centimeter, mine's a 421. They're called 421 servals.
Yep.
The torque, when they're built for torque, and John's is a Cheetah. Super Cub.
Sorry, man. I like the way it sounds. It sounds so sick, you know.
So that, right off the bat, is a huge difference between the two of them. And we also decided to go with some different mods as far as exhaust. We both have lockup clutches, but we went with different companies. Gives them a different look, and there was some coordination between the two of us, because we didn't want to be buying the exact same parts, because that can be kind of boring for the guys that are jumping back and forth watching both channels. You know, you don't want to see the same stuff on some quads. Plus, we want to compare and contrast and see which stuff we like better. So as far as other mods on my Banshee, of course you have the 35mm PWK genuine key-ins. We are going to be trying those 34mm replica carbs, by the way, guys. Also, we have V-Force 4 reeds. I have the billet intake with the built-in crossover, the SLP pipes, and K&N clamp-on filters, which is what we're running right now. I'm not going to run the airbox initially. And then, of course, for the transmission, I did the Shift Star mod, opened up our shift fork window, and I put that roller bearing on the D10. So as far as the motor goes, that's basically what I have done to my quad.
Guys, you know, I tried to budget build mine a little bit, and I guess I shouldn't be trying to do that on a Super Cub, to be honest with you, but, you know, this is the kind of stuff that most of you guys want to see. You want to see how to save $1 but still get a quality and a reliable build, you know? So do it like the everyday guy who doesn't in their garage. They can't afford to spend $10,000 on an ATV build, you know?
Legitimately, that's what you're going to spend for a 4mm.
Right, yeah. You want one that's going to handle the abuse and the stress. You're looking at least 10 grand for something like one of these. I don't even think that's really including the price of the quad.
Now the motors alone, if you look up to purchase a motor in its entirety, they're usually around $5,000–6,000 if you get it from a reputable dealer.
Yeah, and like I said, Mike's got a lot of new stuff in his, and I think we're each gonna do a cost breakdown on our four-wheelers in future videos. But mine's mostly used parts, a lot, except for like my pistons and everything, and the reeds. Other than that, everything else is used, and the cages. But everything else on my ATV is used, and I still have $5,000 to $6,000 stuff into this. Yeah, it's a super cup, you know what I'm saying? And here's the servo, man. They are not cheap to do.
Yeah, definitely not cheap.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much all the footage we wanted to show you today. As always, we hope you enjoy what we put together for you. We spent an entire day filming and collaborating to bring you guys some of this intense footage. And don't forget, we're going to be doing lots of other stuff in the future. We definitely still want to do the plug shops for you guys. We definitely are doing a dyno session in the near future. And then we are going to do a head-to-head matchup to see who's going to win. Whether it be Mike's 421 slow servo four-wheeler, or stupid fast 472 Super Cub. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at stupidfastjon, and don't forget to check Mike out at Sabo350 on Instagram as well. And as always, make sure you give us a like, give us a share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next time.
I'll put it on. His rear shock is really soft. He was telling me, you can see when you hop on.
Yeah.
And it probably went so low and it sheared it right off.
I wonder what it looks like.
With the swing on.
The video.
It's probably pretty cool.
Yeah.